All right, I'm here to make a video on being an HVAC apprentice, and this is my tote bag. So let's get started. So let's just start with the main part right here. So of course I got my 2 drills. Got all this. Got my drywall, my scraper. I got my channel locks and my scissors. Some pairs. A pipe wrench for gas. Always gotta have a hammer. Sheet metal. You know, I love this thing because when you're in the attic and you have to replace the duct strap, you can just take, because some of the duct strap is with nailed on, so you just take these guys and just bloop, this cat's paw. Not bad. Wire strippers, Klein. This is a really good duct knife. Got a couple extensions. Couple needle nose. Got my diagonal cutters and my linemen's right there. It's always good. PVC cutters for drains. I like these. They're supposed to be reds, but they're the long version. Wisp makes them. They're pretty good. They're only 15 bucks. They last me a couple months, but a lot of people like to get the Midwest reds and greens, but these will do if they're right in your budget. But yeah, I got my batteries on the side right here. Keep them right there. Got my knee pads when I'm in the attic. I got all my pouches. I got my spades. Got my nails, my screws, sorry. I like to keep the 1/4 inch and a 3/4 inch on this side. And my spade bits right there for drilling for wire. I feel like every technician should have one of these for conduits, for strapping duct. These work great, but they're kind of real hard to cut. You have to have like really good strength to cut those, but they work good. I got my Schrader valve for dealing with condensers. I got a little squeegee for doing metal tape. Of course, my tape measure. Then go to my little pouch here. Of course, you need a headlamp. I really like this one. Fox Heli. This really, it's been like 3 years and it's great. It's AAA batteries. It's nice, works great. Got all my little stubbies and stuff. Copper cutters. Got my little wrench right here. Klein makes this. This one's pretty nice for tight areas. Can't fit. Your extension in. Every technician should have a Melco. These work awesome. These are great. Just random bits. I usually carry this, but every tech should have like one that goes to 1 inch. These are great for putting in dampers for duct. What else I got here? It's got a bunch of bits and stuff. Yeah. But yeah. That is everything that I take every day for install. And of course, you know, you need your service gauges and your meters and all that stuff, but this is literally all I take to do everything out of this bag. These Huskies are great. They're like 40 bucks. Everybody likes the Vito bags, but you know, I'm cheap. But eventually I'll end up with a Vito bag, but this has been great. This has already lasted a couple months. Always need a level. Put that right there. A level. But yeah. That is it, guys and gals. Yep. So if you're ever deciding to be an HVAC apprentice, this is the basic tools that you need. Have a good day and God bless.